In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your IQ option app on your smartphone. So if your app can't open or the app keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot it and fix all these challenges. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your app. Now, in the first method, you'll first need to access the app information page. And there are two ways you can achieve this. First, just go to settings here. And from settings, look for the option called apps. And mine is here. So proceed and tap on it to open. Under this, you'll see this option called manage apps. On your smartphone, it might be written all apps. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on your Android smartphone. So if I go ahead and tap on manage apps, now this will open all the apps that I have on my smartphone. Proceed and search for your app here, or you can as well scroll and find your app on this list. And now, as you can see, the IQ option app is here. If I proceed and tap on it, now you see we are on the app information page. So that's the first way you can get to the app information page. However, if this process is long, let me show you a shortcut method to get to the app information page. Now, from your app, just go ahead and look for the IQ option app. And then from here, go ahead and long press on the app and you'll see here app info. So if you tap on app info, this will take you again to the same page, app information page. Now from here, we want to go ahead and use the clear data option. So if I tap on here, you can see we have a lot of cache data and also user data. So one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because your app has accumulated a lot of cache data. And when you talk of cache files, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it. And it is stored to enhance the performance or the user experience of your app. However, when these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on clear data down here. And if I tap on it, I'll have an option either to clear all data or to clear cache data. So in our case, we want to clear cache. So I'll select cache and then select OK. And then you can see the cache data has been cleared. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app and it should have fixed your problems. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you may want to go ahead and clear all the user data. And this, you can still go ahead and do it from down here. If you tap on it, you'll get this option called clear all data. Now, when you clear all the user data, it means that saved in details such as login details will be erased and therefore you'll have to log in afresh. So proceed and tap on clear data. And at this point, go ahead and log in and your app should now work just well. However, if this method didn't solve your problem, then you may want to proceed and use the last method, which is method number 3. And this, we need to access the app details from Google Play Store. So if you go to Google Play Store, here's my Google Play Store. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Under search option here, go ahead and search for your app. And you can see our IQ option app is here. So I'll proceed and tap on it. You can see we have two options, uninstall and open. However, sometimes you may find that we have this option called update. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of your app and therefore it is not secure and it might contain bugs. So what you need to do is to update your app. And then this will proceed, download the latest version and then install it on your smartphone. From here, you can now proceed and tap on open and this will take you to the latest version of your app. Now, by following any of the 3 methods, your app should be up and running without any issue. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.